How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey in 5 minutes with toothpaste. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So with the hickey with toothpaste actually does not work for getting rid of a hickey. It may seem like it might work if you do it for like 3, 4, 5 days, then maybe. But in my opinion, that's way too long to wait. There's a much easier way that only takes 2 to 5 minutes that you can get rid of a hickey instantly. Again, 2 to 5 minutes and your hickey will be 100% gone. So that way is literally getting a coin or a spoon and rubbing where the hickey is. What you're gonna do is get a timer, put a timer on your phone, start it, and then when it gets to the 2-minute mark, stop, have a look at your hickey. If it's still there, then continue on for the full 5 minutes. Generally, after 2 minutes, it will be completely gone. Again, if it's not 100% gone, then continue for doing it for a full 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, guaranteed for 90-95% of the people, it's going to be 100% gone. Now for the odd person, and I mean the odd person, if it's still not gone, do it for another 5 minutes and then 100% will be gone. So the max it will take to get rid of the hickey will be 10 minutes. The shortest possible time would be 2 minutes. What will happen after you do this, and I get a lot of comments, it's really funny. I'll get a comment from people saying, you just made it worse. Like, it's completely red, it looks awful. And that's what's going to happen because you just rubbed it for a full 5 minutes. So it's gonna be really, really red and it's gonna look way worse than when you first started. But what happens is the redness goes away in about 5 or 10 minutes. The redness will be gone. When the redness is gone, you will also notice that your hickey is also gone as well. So again, 2 to 10 minutes to get rid of it, and then another 5 to 10 minutes for the redness and the hickey to be completely gone. Now, if you're wondering, well, how the heck does this work? A hickey is a bruise, and to get rid of a bruise, all you need to do is create blood flow in the area, and you create that blood flow by rubbing it. So what will happen is by rubbing it, this increases blood flow, it increases the temperature, and by having more blood flow going into the area, it gets rid of the color of the hickey. It's a super easy thing to do. I've had lots of hickeys on my neck and I've done this lots of times and it works every single time. So that's what I would do if you want to get rid of it in the shortest period of time. You could use toothpaste if you want to, but again, it's going to take 4 or 5 days minimum to get rid of it if you do use toothpaste. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999.